5 reasons why companies are banning ChatGPT. More and more companies are banning ChatGPT in the workplace. But what's behind the bans? First, like the video and subscribe to my channel. Despite its impressive abilities, several major companies have banned their employees from using the ChatGPT. In May 2023, Samsung prompted the use of ChatGPT and other generative AI tools. Then, in June 2023, the Commonwealth Bank of Australia followed suit, along with companies like Amazon, Apple, and JP Morgan Chase and the Corporation. Some hospitals, law firms, and government agencies have also banned employees from using the ChatGPT. So why more and more companies banning ChatGPT? Here's the 5 major reasons to talk about. The first one, data leaks. ChatGPT requires a large amount of data to train and operate effectively. The chatbot was trained using a massive amount of data derived from the internet, and it continues to be trained. According to the OpenAI's help page, every piece of data, including confidential customer details, trade secret, and sensitive business information you feed the chatbot, is liable to be reviewed by its trainer, who may use your data to improve their systems. Many companies are subject to stringent data protection regulations. As a result, they are cautious about sharing personal data with external entities, as this increases the data risks of data leaks. Besides, OpenAI doesn't offer any foolproof data protection and confidentiality assurance. In March 2023, OpenAI confirmed a bug allowing some users to view the chat titles in other active users' histories. Although this bug was fixed and OpenAI launched a bug bounty program, the company doesn't assure the safety and the privacy of user data. Many organizations are opting to restrict employees from utilizing the ChatGPT to avoid data leaks, which can damage their reputation, lead to financial losses, and put their customers and employees at risk. Number 2. Cybersecurity risks. While it's unclear if ChatGPT is genuinely prone to cybersecurity risks, there is a chance that its deployment within an organization may introduce potential vulnerabilities with which cyber attackers can exploit. If a company integrates ChatGPT and there are weaknesses in the chatbot's security system, attackers may be able to exploit the vulnerabilities and inject malware codes. Also, ChatGPT's ability to generate human-like responses is a golden egg for phishing attackers who can take over an account or impersonate legitimate entities to deceive companies' employees into sharing sensitive information. And number 3, creation of personalized chatbots. Despite its innovative feature, ChatGPT can produce false and misleading information. As a result, many companies have created AI chatbots for work purposes. For instance, the Commonwealth Bank of Australia asked its employees to use Gen.ai instead, an artificial intelligent AI chatbot that uses common banks information to provide answers. Companies like Samsung and Amazon have developed advanced natural language models so businesses can easily create and deploy personalized chatbots based on existing transcripts. With these in-house chatbots, you can prevent the legal and reputational consequences associated with mishandling data. And number 4, lack of regulation in industries where companies adjust to regularity protocols and sanctions. ChatGPT's lack of regulatory guidance is a red flag. Without precise regulatory conditions governing the use of ChatGPT, companies can face severe legal consequences when using the AI chatbot for their operations. Additionally, the lack of regulation can diminish a company's accountability and transparency. Most companies may be confused about explaining the AI language model, decision-making processes, and security measures to their customers. Companies are restricting ChatGPT, fearing potential violations of privacy laws and industry specific regulations. Number 5, and the last one, irresponsible use by employees in many companies. Some employees rely solely on ChatGPT responses to generate content and perform their duties. This speeds laziness in the work environment and stunts creativity and innovations. Being AI dependent can hinder your ability to think critically. It can also damage a company's credibility, as ChatGPT often provides inaccurate and unreliable data. Although ChatGPT is a powerful tool, using it to address complex queries requiring domain-specific expertise can damage a company's operations and efficiency. Some employees may not remember to fact-check and verify responses provided by the AI chatbot, treating responses as a one-size-fits-all solution. To mitigate problems like these, companies are placing bans on the chatbots so that employees can focus on their tasks and provide error-free solutions to users. ChatGPT bans better safe than sorry. Companies banning ChatGPT indicate cybersecurity risks, employees' ethical standards, and regulatory compliance challenges. ChatGPT inability to alleviate these challenges while providing industry solutions attests to its limitations and needs to evolve further. In meantime, companies are shifting to alternative chatbots or simply restricting employees from utilizing ChatGPT to avoid the potential data breaches and unreliable security and regularity protocols associated with the chatbots. So this is the end of text. Let me know your feedback about what we talked about in this video in the comment section, and don't forget to like my video and subscribe to my channel to receive every new about AI and ChatGPT in near future. So see you later. Bye.